What I'm gonna do in this episode is trying to get her wrap ready. You can see here, you have a dent. And I went all around the car doing that. As you can see, a lot of stuff I have to fill in. I'm gonna take off the side skirts. I'm gonna take off the headlights. I'm gonna take off the bumper, the grill, the tail lights, and the side skirts. This thing right here. So the car's not gonna look pretty at all. I'm gonna have a bunch of parts laying around. Yeah, let's get to fixing, you know what I'm saying? Because after this, it's gonna be a wrap time. But I'm not a rapper. It is forged carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. I'm debating whether to put this black as this. I'm not sure. So here is the wrap. As you can see, I have another wrap here that I haven't showed you guys, but that will be for the color reveal.
Oh, come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exaltation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God.
Here's G. She's very dirty, of course, but she's looking good in terms of finish and smoothness. Now I fixed a lot of stuff on the G. Oh look, I just found a new hit right here. I have to fix that right there. Where the rust bubble was at, completely fixed. It was very smooth, nothing wrong with it. Here I'm doing the final touches right here, but the arc is very nice, and the hole is fixed. Here as well, very smooth. I'm doing a little repair there. And a lot of parts and a lot of things that it was not interesting to see, like, you know, fixing like the clear coat right here, because it was bleeding everywhere, especially here. But now it's very smooth.
Yea, Lord, we greet thee, born this happy morning. Jesus, to thee be all glory given. Son of the Father, now in flesh appearing. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Bam! It is finally done. The G is prepared to be wrapped. It needs more stuff. Now let me show you guys. next episode, I am going to wrap the G, but I'm not a rapper. Finally, they are right over there, right there. That's the secret color right there. And the one that's next to it is the forged carbon graffiti, which I'm gonna add to, spice it up. So, you know what I'm saying? I got to put my little spice in there, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm excited. Let's get it. God bless. Until next time, guys. Peace. Stay prayed up.